A key concept in managing investment risk is diversification. Simply put, it means not putting all your eggs in one basket. But when it comes to platforms like Spaceship, how diversified are their portfolios, really? Let's break it down. Spaceship offers a few different investment options, each with its own approach. For example, the Spaceship Universe portfolio is built around companies they see as world-changing. It holds a concentrated selection of growth-focused, often tech-heavy, stocks. While this portfolio invests in companies from multiple countries, like the US and Australia, it's important to note its heavy weighting in one sector, technology. This concentration means if the tech sector underperforms, that specific portfolio will likely feel a significant impact. Then you have the Spaceship Origin portfolio, which is designed to track around 200 of the world's largest companies. This is generally considered more diversified because it spans a wider range of sectors and is less concentrated than the Universe portfolio. You're spreading risk across more companies and industries, although it's still focused on the stock market. Finally, some options, like their superannuation offerings or the Explorer portfolio, offer even broader diversification by mixing in different asset classes, such as bonds and cash, alongside shares. These are designed to be more balanced, aiming for both growth and stability, and typically have a lower risk profile than the share-only funds. So, are Spaceship portfolios diversified? Yes, they are in the sense that they invest across different companies and countries, avoiding the risk of a single stock collapsing. However, how diversified they are depends heavily on the specific portfolio you choose. Some are highly concentrated in the growth and tech sectors, which means you're taking on more sectoral risk for the potential of higher returns. Always check the specific holdings and asset allocation to make sure it aligns with your personal risk tolerance and investment goals. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more deep dives into investment strategies.